Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2020 Kawasaki Vulcan S 650cc twin-cylinder, fuel-injected, liquid-cooled. This is the cafe model with the little windscreen, two-tone paint. This one's got the ABS brakes. Wait till you hear that awesome sounding exhaust system. Viking locking saddlebags, passenger seat and backrest, which is not standard on this model. Beautiful condition, only $79.99. Come on by, make your Vulcan S lightweight cruiser dreams come true for just $79.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.